Come with me, let's design a baby dedication IV using Chatgpt. And if you watch to the end, I'm going to show you how to edit it using Canva, just in case you have any corrections to make and you do not you're not able to get the exact correction using ChatGPT. Let's dive in right now. So first thing I want to go is to open a new tab, open my ChatGPT. I already have my baby's picture that I would love to use as part of the design. Okay, and I'm going to give it the instruction on what I want to do. First of all, I also click on create image. That is what we're doing. I'll say come to my plus sign. I'm going to upload the picture I want to add as part of the as part of the design. So I'm going to be using the second picture I just uploaded now, and I'm going to give you the prompt. I'll say I need you to use this picture attached. So I'll tell it also so the design size I would love to use should be 2000 by 2300 pixels, HD resolution, and nice font. So this is a very simple prompt I'm actually using, very simple, and I'll go ahead and put in some of the details. So let's say, okay, it was already I've mistakenly clicked on go. So let's see what it will generate for us. So whatever it is it generated, at the end of this video I will show you how to edit it using Canva. I'll show you how to add maybe one or two things. I'll show you how to be able to scatter the whole design and arrange it the way you want using Canva. Okay, so let's see what it's going to sketch out for us, and we'll be able to move on from there. Okay, so it is done generating our design. Can you see how it looks like? So I'll just go ahead and download this picture now. So let's say you have a design you already have in mind, and you can actually take it to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to replicate this design for you. Just one or two changes that could be done, and you are good to go. So I'll quickly show you a particular design that I have already that I would love ChatGPT to replicate. So right here, let's assume I have a style in mind before now. I'm just going to go to Pinterest, maybe search for one or two things. If I love them, I'm just going to go ahead and download the images, okay? So I'll head back to my ChatGPT and I'll tell it, I'll upload the style I want, go to my photos, and you can see it right here. So I'll tell it, I love this design style. Kindly adopt this. Okay, so I'm giving it that particular design. I want it to follow that pattern, just maybe change the words and all of that. So the essence of showing you how to edit it using Canva is so that in case you want to make out corrections, like maybe the names or spellings were not done correctly, you want to quickly maybe change the picture, add one or two things, make your add more information like address or whatever it is, because trust me, when you keep sending ChatGPT or any AI tool to keep maybe making correction in one or two things, they will keep changing the design. So imagine you're doing the design for a client and the client already approves the design. Maybe they just say, oh, do one or two correction in the writings and all of that. But because it is AI, you come back and then it will give you a different design entirely as a result of just one correction you wanted it to make for you. So that's the essence of knowing how to edit your design using Canva. So while it is loading, I'll just go ahead and open my Canva down, make sure my Canva is loading. So mind you, I'm using the premium Canva just in case you notice that there are some features that I am using that you cannot use easily. Okay, so this my Canva is loading now, and I go back to our baby dedication ChatGPT design. Okay, so did you notice something? See what happened. So ChatGPT actually gave us replicated the design word for word. It didn't change it. So I'm going to tell it now. For the first IV you created. So it's still loading. Let me just download the first one we did. This one you're seeing now. Let's download it and I'll use it to show you how to edit your design using Canva while waiting for it to be able to respond to the prompt I gave to it. So here at Canva, I'm going to oh, they're inviting me. Okay, so I come here to my create site, my custom site, and then remember I told you to use 2000 by 2300, right? I'm going to click on create a new design, and then it will open the design for us, as you can see right here. So the next thing I want to do is to upload the design that we've already done, that ChatGPT has done. Go to upload, and I'm going to upload files. Then click on select. So this is it, it's loading. So this is the design. I'm going to go ahead and make it to full the entire page. So can you see now, this is the entire page. The next thing I'll do is to click on the design itself and then go to image tools, and then we're going to select the magic layer. So the magic layer helps to ungroup the entire design that is inside this particular page you're working on. So it will make it to be editable, make all the text to be editable, the pictures to be editable. Whatever it is you want to adjust, you can now do it comfortably. You can even change the colors, the style, the arrangement. Anything you want to change, you can do it as a result of this magic layer feature on Canva. And remember, it is only when you're using I think it is a premium Canva that enables you to use it anyway. So you can see right here, you see our design has scattered everything, and thank goodness everything still looks arranged. It is not so scattered. You can see now. So I can go ahead and make changes to whatever part I want to make changes to. Put the correct date, put the correct time, and so on and so forth. So you can use this feature on any design at all. So let me go back again and upload another design so you see what I'm talking about. So let's do for this particular one. Okay, so go ahead to image tools and we're going to add magic layer. So this magic layer, remember, to enable you to edit any design at all. So if you try this feature out and it worked out well, let me know in the comment section. All right, so let's see how this turns out. Let's see if the fonts, the only thing that actually change when you're doing this is the fonts. The fonts might change to a great extent, but you can still, maintain the font if you know the exact font to use. All right, I have a lot of fonts uploaded here in my Canva Pro account, over 130 fonts, so that way I don't run out of font styles when I am designing. It makes my work really, really easy for me. So let's see how this turns out. So can you see how this turns out now? It still looks good. The font did not change at all. Okay, this is still manageable. Can you see how it looks? So I can now edit the um write up, put in whatever it is I want to put, change the baby's picture if I intend to. Can you see the background? And the sweet part is that I can actually move this design now to another page and use it for something else. Let me show you what I mean. I've duplicated this, I've added a new page. Let's go and get this now. Bring it here. So can you see? This is the amazing part of it. Can decide what I want to use the background to do. So if you have any design you see, let's say for example you saw a design on the internet and you love the background and you're looking forward to getting that exact background, this is one of the ways to get the background. All right, so let me know if this video really helped you, and I will keep making videos like this on how to explore Canva the more. Meanwhile, you can also join my Canva to Profit community, where I teach you how to maximize your phone using Canva to do designs, get them printed, and also make more money doing so. So let's go back to ChatGPT and see if ChatGPT was able to create the design that we gave. All right, so can you see how it looks now? It was able to put our baby's picture. Remember the baby picture that we provided? Okay, this is the baby's picture we provided. It was able to adjust the picture to a great extent, so you can see how the design came out now. So I'm just going to go ahead, download it, and remember to take it to Canva, maybe add one or two correction, add one or two information, just like that, and you are good to go. So see you in the next video. Bye guys.